Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the rows you need to remove. This matters because partial selection breaks the delete action. Click and drag across the left edge to select whole rows, or use Shift+Click to extend selection quickly. Make sure you have edit permissions. Without them, you can't commit changes. Once selected, pause and scan for merged cells or important content you must preserve. Those require extra care. Now proceed to the next step to execute the deletion safely. You now delete the selected rows using the app's table menu or the right-click context option labeled Delete Rows. That removes structural entries rather than clearing text. If you prefer speed, use the document's keyboard shortcut for row deletion. Practice once to memorize it. If rows contain merged cells, unmerge them first because deletion behaves unpredictably otherwise. Also, check for formulas or references that might shift. Once done, make sure to inspect surrounding content. Finish by reviewing the document layout and any numbering or cross-references that could have shifted after row removal. You want consistent flow. If something looks wrong, use undo immediately to revert and try again with adjusted selection or by unmerging problematic cells. If deletion fails entirely, check your permissions, confirm the table isn't locked, and inspect for hidden rows or protected ranges. Resolving those usually fixes the issue. One key tip: always keep a quick backup copy before major structural edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.